Hello everybody, this is just an update. This is a really important message. So this is how to avoid the scamming comments. So shout out to this guy, live free. I don't know how to spell it, sorry. So he made a video about this Traptown NCS scam. Basically, this is an auto comment bot, which it just places comments. I like, keep it up. Would you like to be YouTube friends? And it became into a big channel, and it's now called Trap Drip. Let me find if it still exists. Trap Drip. Now it's Trap Drip, but you get the point. Okay, sorry, I don't want to get copyrighted by this video, so I'm not gonna play them. But now it's Trap Drip. I checked them out last time. They just leave auto comments. So I just released this video, how to stop automatic payments subscriptions on your Google account, and this guy comments, nice video bro, 9 minutes ago. That doesn't happen usually, so I'm checking his channel and he got 46k subscribers, and that's his uploads, right? He doesn't have any videos. And if you check his social blade, he removed everything, and he's been getting 11k subs each day. So I presume this is a bot account. Subscribe for shoutout. Of course, nobody's gonna give you a shoutout. Let me check this account. So, okay. So this guy also making a video. Okay, let me check this out quick, and I'll let you know what this is, guys. Okay, I watched the video a bit. I just skipped through it. So he's been saying that you should reply to other comments, check social media, and stuff like that. But I really doubt that he's been doing that. If we check his social blade, it's been really weird. I'm gonna tell you that. You don't reply to comments and get 30k views in one day. That's just really weird. So I suspect he's done the same thing as Trap Drip, and he's been using comment bots. So that's my guess, because my video was released 9 minutes ago, and I don't think the agent would recommend my video this fast to other people. That's really rare for me, so that's why I'm suspecting it. So if you check here, subscribe for shoutout, and this has gotten 16k views. So if you go to this channel, 16k views, 1.4k views. This seems really weird, you know, guys. I'm sorry, this guy may be legit, but I'm pretty sure this is fake. So he's advertising this as a shout out, and he wants people to subscribe to this. He doesn't have videos himself, but he's promoting the videos of someone. That's the exact same thing that Trap Drip did. Let me check if this channel is still available. I think they removed it and rebranded it again, but I'm pretty sure, guys, that this is a scam. So I replied, thanks a lot. If this guy replies back, I'm just thinking this could be a scam. So be careful, guys, and just check that it's not a scam or anything, because the guy who, if he usually leaves a comment, he will have one channel, and that's going to be his channel. But as you can see, has 46k subscribers. No videos, right? Nothing. So for him to be getting so many subscribers a day with no videos, guys, hear me out, no videos, he must be posting thousands of comments with a comment bot around YouTube, and people think that he likes their videos, but in reality he just posts that, and let's say he posts 100k comments a day, he gets 11k subs a day. So I suspect that has been the reason why he's been doing that. As you can see, he had some videos and he removed them. He got 4k subscribers, but only 400 checked this video. So he's just trying to link that to his other channel. That's going to be the legit channel. This is going to be just a throwaway account, because YouTube will probably ban this. So that's what he's going to be doing. Again, this could be a mistake, but I'm pretty sure this is a scam. So don't follow for this, don't subscribe. And I think this could be a legit scam. I'm sorry it has to be like this, but I'm pretty sure. So guys, please be very careful. because this thing about the sharp drip has gone out, people will try doing this, and just be careful. I hope YouTube bans these people if he's actually doing that, because that's just annoying. That's just spam. So yeah, I'll be checking out in a few days on this channel, seeing what it does, but pretty sure it's a scam. So yeah, be aware, please, and um, ask maybe another question instead of saying thanks a lot. Ask maybe, hey, what do you think about the quality of my mic? And if that person replies, that's probably a legit person. If he doesn't reply, that's probably fake, because they usually don't reply back. They just comment and leave. They want subs. So yeah, but I'm just gonna give it the benefit of the doubt, and I'm just gonna say thanks a lot, because that's a nice comment to hear. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it. Yeah, let me know if you had this comment on your channel as well, because I doubt this guy is sitting all day on his computer posting thousands of comments to random videos, because that's just gonna be weird. But anyway, that's gonna be it. Hello guys, I'm editing the video right now. I forgot to add that if someone is actually posting comments on your channel, he will just have his own channel. He will not try linking it to another channel like this guy, linking it to this and this. A real person, genuine person, will have one channel and he will post everything on one channel. And he may just say, my second channel. He won't say subscribe for shoutout. A person who is legitimate will have one channel and have uploads, and will be like that. But this person is probably fake. So yeah, that's my post upload editing. Yeah.